There's a saying, Im lo yoyel, lo yazik. You understand? These all things because they want to should be careful with kids. So they make like if you're going on a kid, you have to go back because they don't do dangerous things with kids. So a kid should go out from a window. They want to scare the kids. If you're gonna go out from the window, you're not gonna you grow. You wachst nicht. These all things because they want to tell the kid it's not good to go from a window. You're gonna fall down. You're gonna die. So the kid didn't listen. Don't listen to this. You're gonna die. I could, but you're not gonna grow. Oh, so he these all things. Im lo yoyel lo yazik. Das was Aluschen. Im lo yoyel lo yazik. Fragt, wo sind die alle Sachen von nicht gefährlich. No, it's not. It's not. Okay. There's there's a thing. If someone start to sweeping the house, another person not allowed to talk to take over. If yes, he take his years. It's also the same thing because everybody likes to start sweeping, but in the end they don't have koyach to. So they're saying you start, you have to finish. There's the Gemara in Arve Psuchim. In the end from Mesach Psuchim, very few dafim Gemara with Shaidem, with if a person eat an even number, the Shaidem comes to the spirit person. An even number, not an odd number. An even number, 2 eggs. You're not allowed to 1 egg, 3 eggs, 6 eggs. Ziggas, it's called ziggas, zugas. You didn't hear this? Even now. Wine. 2 koises. Not. You have to do 3 koises. There is stories. So the Gemara finished. So Lamais, what's the end? Man de kuppet. Man de loy kuppet. This kind of people, the whole life is these things. They have to watch out because they has to do with this shaidam. Man de loy kuppet. The all kinds. Einhorre. Einhorre is a real thing. The Gemara says, Riba meisem einhorre. No, but we see the interesting thing. The all people that are into these things, einhorre, upsprechen einhorre, gießen blei. They say takke Sachen, ich weiß nicht. But the old people, I'm going to Hashem. I didn't hear them. This is ask a person, what is the biggest thing you can imagine that you should come to the mixed madrage? What the biggest level that you want to come? I want to have Gili Aliyui. Gili Aliyui. Do mention that there are people before Pesach they give tzedukah because they're thinking in the back from their mind, maybe this year I'm gonna have Gili Aliyui. I heard from a lot of people because they read books. There's a person that gives whole money for a uni. And he sees Aliyah Novi, so they're doing everything. They know the rasen zich hebben varianten. And they thinking I'm gonna see what's gonna be. You're gonna see Aliyah Novi. What's gonna be? So if you see Aliyah Novi, it's what's now. I have a bigger madrage from this. Talking to Hashem. Hashem is here. Talk to Hashem. There's a story. Rab Shitzuru walking in the street, and he finds some like as a Oived, ein man, a young person, a Oived. So Rabbi Shizruf knows his Ingelat. So he said, what's going on? You see Aliyah Novi? Yeah. The Rebbe knows that Aliyah Novi is here. Yeah. How Aliyah Novi looks? And the Rabbi Shizruf says, white, yes? Yeah, I see him. Also like with this kind of krachte hat. Yes. And this is the Koimankerer. No, how is it when it's? In the there was a chimney. You have to go in and clean it. Wow, you come out from there white. So there are people that they want to see Aliyah Novi. They want to get madragas. What's now? You have madragas. What's now? There's a bigger madraga. Talk to Hashem. Close your eyes for a few seconds. Hashem, help me. There's not biggest from this. But it's people want interessante Sachen. There's rabbis. They make a Friday night Onyx Shabbos. If he's a simple person, he didn't have oilam. If he make stupid things, they're gonna come. The rabbi in Borough Park. Wow, every Shabbos. I don't want to say the name. I want sometimes. I was a bucher. I want to see. I'm coming. I'm crazy. You crazy. The people are crazy. What's going on? I'm a crazy person. Ik mamash in the oilam, goilam, stand and looks. What's going on there? Oh, you see, it's so amazing. He makes it. You can't do this? No. So are you laughing? I don't want to do this. No, I don't want to do this. There was a story in Breslev shul in Yerushalayim. One time, Marash was there, and the door is open, and a big person comes in, and crawling on the floor. Bitla yesh. I'm shaking him. Marash says he's crazy people. So someone goes to Marash. Why are you laughing? You could do it? No. So I don't want to do this. I'm not an animal. I'm a person. I'm a halach al shtayim. Dama halach al shtayim. Ja, so steht es. Dama halach al shtayim. Das ist Menschen, they likes to do only things different. Talk to Hashem. Sit in the place. Talk to Hashem. It's not there's no bigger Sache than I don't. There's a story in the Gemara. There was a person that do so much sin that the Gemara says he didn't left one sin in the world. No, he goes in the whole world. He travel around looking for Schmitz, for a virus. So one time there was a whole story. Bekitzer, he wanted to do tshuva. So he goes around. The Gemara says he start talking to the mountains. Please ask Hashem that Hashem should take me back. So the mountains answer him. Well, darf man allein zu rachma shemaim afins. No, we say, in ze me gain dir beten. In ze me van mit sich. He talks to the sun. He talks to the moon. He talks to the stars. He talks to the planets. Maluchim, everybody answer him. We don't have time for you. We need alone rachma shemaim. So he thinks nobody cares for me. I'm a lost case. He sit down. He took his head and he put it on between his 2 feet. Start crying till he passed away. And there's a baskol from the heaven goes and says. Yes, koine Rebluze ben Tordaye mezimen le oilem abu. The Bucher Rabbi Kodesh hears the baskol. He knows this guy. He starts crying. Yes, koine oilumoy bahar b'shunam. There's a person he has to a whole life he's doing good things, and he has oilem abu. And there's a person in a few minutes, in a minute, he got oilem haba. And nicht nur das, not only this, the baskol says Reb. In the Gemara usually they don't say Reb on a stam person. Reb a loser. Reb. So you see, this is the biggest thing, a person, greatest thing. Sit in your place, take your head, look at you. Don't look at other people. Other Sachen and talk to Hashem. Hashem, I want to be good. Hashem, I want to do tshiva. I want to come back to you. I don't know. Every day I'm a kabbalah on me that this day I'm gonna do only good things. All of a sudden, I don't know. I fall back. I don't know what to do. Hashem, every day I'm standing up and I'm telling you this day gonna be good, and I don't know. I'm used to these things and I'm falling back to those things. This is the biggest thing. What's gonna be? Gonna see a Leonovi? What's gonna be? Gonna see? This tzaddik comes learn with him Torah. No, is what now? What now? Talk to Hashem. Talk to Hashem. Ask Hashem. Hashem. I want to be good. I don't want to. Befrat, you have to be mispallel for the Eugen. Shmiras Hanayim. Hashem. I don't want to watch movies. Garbage movies. There are young boys. They don't know what they're going in. Hashem gonna take you back. Hashem gonna give you tshuva, but you're gonna struggle your whole life because this is addiction. The person goes in movies, garbage, in. They're looking, and they burn out the moyach. What? Brennt sich aus the cup. They destroy the brain. They want to do tshuva, but they what? Kapelaidik. They from outside they look Chassidish people, alles fine. No, like a computer, but there's no hard drive. There's the screen, there's the mice, the keyboard. You can hard drive. There are no moyach. Real Hasidus. When you are looking on dirty things, this burn out your moyach, your brain. So what we can do? We can fight with the Yetzer Hara. Yetzer Hara is a malach. The Gemara says there was a Rosh Hashiva, Reb Amram Chasida. And there's a time he has a boydom. Eric, he has an Eric. He has to hold a woman, a girl, because they want behalten von der Goyim, a Meidl. And there's a ladder. The Gemara says you have to have 10 people to lift it up. And he has a Yetzer Hara. He took it himself, this ladder, put it to the attic, and run up. He wanted to do a sin. Reb Amram Chasida. Not a plain man. But he was a tzaddik. He started thinking, "Oy vay, I'm gonna lose my whole this world." And then he starts screaming, "Boys, the fire! The whole yeshiva run out. Fire! They comes with the pails, water. Fire! Where the fire, Rabbi? The need Rabbi Amram. The fire is here. What? What's wrong with you, Rabbi? What's going on? It's a shame for us to have a yeshiva that has this. Look there, it's better. I should be ashamed, embarrassed here, and not to lose both worlds." Then he says for the Yetzer Hara, "Listen, what is a person? Flesh and blood. You are fire. You are more stronger from me. Looked like I'm stronger from you. There's a person can do this thing, to scream fire, to scream to Hashem, fire, come, let's show the fire, no. Shut the fire. Shut the fire. Hashem, help me." This is a person is much greater from an angel. A person is much more from Maluchim. A Malach, what's a Malach? He don't have a Yetzer Hara. A person has a Yetzer Hara, wants to do not good things, and he screams to Hashem, fire. Hashem, help me. I wish to help him.